Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 17 Pro Max with a cracked display, and we'll replace it today with David. So let's go. So yeah, we have here a Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. If you have an Apple 17 Pro Max, Xiaomi's got one too. So yeah, I'm not really sure about the naming convention. Yeah, did they copy the 17 Pro Max? I don't know. So when you open it, I'm pretty sure this is plastic. It just bends. Not sure yet. But we'll take good care of the smartphone. Yeah, I think this is plastic. You can't bend glass back covers like this one. So the back cover is attached to the main board. We'll remove this clip right away. It's a challenge. So I think this is the first time we have a smartphone like this in the shop. So Xiaomi, big Chinese company that makes smartphones and EVs, other appliances as well. So yeah, let's see how it gets disassembled. Lots of screws. Remove the cover for the daughter board. And this one as well. I think this is the wireless charging module. Pretty standard. Lots of points that can get broken if you force your way inside it. So we have another flex cable. Yeah, just imagine if you don't have any clue what you're doing and then just yank everything out. So next we have the battery. Peel that off. Next one, retaining clip. Cover for the daughter board. Camera, another camera. This is our replacement housing with the display. Yeah, so far there's a lot of things that we have already removed. So unlike your Apple or Samsung, this one needs a catalog. You need to know your way around a smartphone to keep track of all the parts that you have removed. They're tiny. So yeah, we're already transplanting some parts that we can transplant to the new housing and display so that we don't lose them. That's just a good practice. As soon as it's out, if you can put it in the new housing, replacement display and housing, you can do that. So far, that's David's strategy here. Another small camera. Yeah, so DIY on a Xiaomi 17 Pro Max so far not recommended. You need to have the proper tools, extreme patience if you want to complete this one. The main board is in. I think some sensors are going in as well. Lots of flex cables going back and forth, the display, housing, and into the back cover. So yeah, if you're not pro, I think don't attempt this yet. Try something simpler, like a Samsung smartphone, Google Pixel if you want to practice screen placement. This one is just another level. Yeah, we have the part exactly for this model of Xiaomi. So it's just gonna be the reverse process. And David along the way is, I think, made some mistakes installing this liner for the camera. So he had to backtrack everything and put it back the right way. So yeah, David is an expert. If he's making mistakes on this one, definitely newbies like us will also make more mistakes. You can see here lots of screws. Need to make sure all the connectors are connected securely. We don't want to close the smartphone and we forgot to connect the battery connector or the display connector or one of the cameras. That's gonna be another headache. So the battery goes in, flush, no issues there. Big battery as well for a smartphone like this one. We're almost done. Just another flex cable, the wireless charging module. Lots of cables to route. I think these are antenna cables. I'll close this up. Tons of screws. So yeah, if you have a Xiaomi 17 Pro Max that is in need of a new display, new battery, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre, or if you're away, you can mail in your smartphone to us. We'll fix it here and we send it back to the same address. We have done many mail-in repair services lately, so if you're keen on taking on our services, don't hesitate to leave us a message so we can arrange the shipping of your device from and back to you. Let's check if it's working. It does work. No dramas. It's working. Back cover is kind of mangled up, so we are going to do this in stages. So we'll install the back cover and then glue it and then let the glue cure with rubber bands so that it will just press in safely without damaging the display or the smartphone. So we have here the liquid adhesive, and we know that this plastic has been bent quite a bit when we open the device. So we'll just make sure it's stick back in. You can see some bend on the side there. Still functional, nothing to worry about. There you go. See here when we press it in, on this side no issues. On this side, yeah, it's gonna make a gap. So the way we solve that is put the glue and then adhesive with rubber band right there. So you just press in just enough, and then we'll let it dry and give it back to the client. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down below what you think. Is it good or bad? Do you have any recommendations for us? Leave them down below, and I hope you learned something in this repair, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.